Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6x and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option Security and Privacy. Then let's scroll down and find the option More Security and Privacy. And here scroll down again to localize the option Credential Storage. So let's tap. At the bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for, so remove all user certificates. Let's simply tap on it and confirm it by tapping on OK. Here we have to confirm everything with our screen lock, which is normal, no worries. And not only we had this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.